Number 10. Khajjiar, often dubbed as the mini Switzerland of India, is a mesmerizing hill station located in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. This picturesque destination is nestled amidst dense pine forests, offering breathtaking views of lush green meadows and snow-capped mountains. The main attraction of Khajjiar is its strikingly beautiful Khajjiar Lake, surrounded by a vast expanse of green grass, making it a perfect spot for picnics and leisurely walks. Adventure enthusiasts will find plenty of activities to indulge in, such as zorbing, paragliding, and horse riding. The nearby Kolotop Wildlife Sanctuary is a treat for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. The sanctuary houses various flora and fauna, providing ample opportunities for birdwatching and trekking. Khajjiar is a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, making it an ideal destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. With its serene landscapes, pleasant weather, and ample recreational opportunities, Khajjiar is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a magical retreat in the lap of nature.
Number 9. Dalhousie is a charming and serene hill station located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Perched at an elevation of around 1,970 meters, 6,463 feet, above sea level, Dalhousie boasts colonial-era architecture, verdant valleys, and panoramic views of the surrounding Dhauladhar mountain range. The town's colonial charm is evident in its old-world buildings, churches, and quaint marketplaces. St. John's Church, St. Francis Church, and Subash Bailey are some of the must-visit landmarks that reflect the town's rich history. Dalhousie is an ideal destination for nature lovers, with numerous walking trails and picturesque landscapes. Panchpula, Satara Falls, and Khajjiar are some of the nearby attractions that offer tranquility and breathtaking beauty. For adventure seekers, Dalhousie provides opportunities for trekking, river rafting, and horse riding. The summer months from March to June are the best time to visit when the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploration. With its refreshing climate, captivating views, and a blend of natural and historical attractions, Dalhousie offers a delightful escape for travelers seeking solace and rejuvenation in the lap of the Himalayas.
Number 8. Chamba, a hidden gem in the northern state of Himachal Pradesh, is a captivating destination with a rich historical and cultural heritage. Located along the banks of the Ravi River and surrounded by majestic mountains, Chamba offers a unique blend of ancient temples, colonial architecture, and breathtaking landscapes. The town is renowned for its ancient temples, including the Lakshmi Narayan Temple, Champavati Temple, and Kamunda Devi Temple, showcasing intricate carvings and artistic brilliance. The Buri Singh Museum houses an impressive collection of traditional art, artifacts, and relics, offering insights into the region's history. The scenic beauty of Chamba is enhanced by its picturesque valleys, lush green meadows, and pristine rivers. The nearby Khajjiar, often called the mini Switzerland of India, is a must-visit spot, boasting a picturesque lake surrounded by cedar forests. Chamba's local markets are ideal for indulging in traditional handicrafts and exquisite textiles. The town's festivals, such as the Minjar Fair and the Suai Mata Mela, offer a glimpse into the vibrant cultural traditions of the region. For travelers seeking a serene and culturally enriching experience, Chamba is a delightful destination to explore the natural beauty and ancient heritage of Himachal Pradesh.
Number 7. Kullu, located in the Kullu Valley of Himachal Pradesh, is a breathtaking destination renowned for its scenic beauty and adventure opportunities. Nestled amidst the majestic Himalayan mountains, the valley is blessed with lush greenery, meandering rivers, and picturesque landscapes. The Beas River flowing through the valley adds to its charm and offers opportunities for activities like river rafting and trout fishing. Kullu is also known for its apple orchards and the annual Kullu Dasra festival, which attracts travelers from all over. Adventure enthusiasts will find an array of thrilling activities in Kullu, including trekking, paragliding, and skiing in nearby Solang Valley during the winter months. The Great Himalayan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. The town of Manali, a popular hill station, is located just a short drive away from Kullu and offers additional attractions and adventure opportunities. Whether you seek tranquility amidst nature or seek adventure in the mountains, Kullu promises a memorable and rejuvenating experience for travelers.
Number 6. Kasauli is a serene and picturesque hill station located in the state of Himachal Pradesh, situated at an elevation of around 1,900 meters, 6,234 feet, above sea level. Kasauli offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. This charming town is characterized by its colonial-era architecture, winding roads, and dense pine forests. Kasauli is famous for its pleasant weather and breathtaking vistas of the surrounding hills and valleys. The Monkey Point, the highest point in Kasauli, offers panoramic views of the Sutlej River and the distant plains of Punjab. Travelers can explore the Christ Church, a beautiful colonial-era structure, and the Kasauli Brewery, one of the oldest distilleries in Asia. The Gilbert Trail and the Sunset Point are ideal for leisurely walks amidst nature. Kasauli's peaceful ambience and refreshing climate make it an ideal destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you seek solitude, want to explore nature trails, or simply enjoy the beautiful landscapes, Kasauli promises a memorable and serene experience for travelers.
Number 5. Spiti Valley, located in the northeastern part of Himachal Pradesh, is a remote and mesmerizing high-altitude desert valley. Surrounded by the rugged and barren Himalayan mountains, Spiti offers a unique and awe-inspiring landscape that captivates travelers with its raw beauty. At an average elevation of over 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet, above sea level, Spiti is one of the highest inhabited regions in the world. The valley is dotted with ancient Buddhist monasteries, perched dramatically on rocky cliffs, such as the Key Monastery, Thankar Monastery, and Tabo Monastery, which are of great cultural and spiritual significance. Spiti's landscape is characterized by vast expanses of barren mountains, deep gorges, and turquoise rivers. The journey to Spiti is an adventure in itself, with treacherous roads and high mountain passes like Kunzam Pass and Rotang Pass. The valley is a paradise for nature and adventure enthusiasts, offering opportunities for trekking, camping, and exploring the unique flora and fauna of the region. Spiti Valley's remote and unspoiled beauty makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an offbeat and extraordinary experience in the lap of the Himalayas. However, due to its high altitude and challenging terrain, visitors are advised to acclimatize properly and be prepared for the rugged conditions.
Number 4. McLeod Ganj, situated in the state of Himachal Pradesh, is a captivating hill town and a major Tibetan settlement in exile. It is famously known as the residence of the 14th Dalai Lama and the headquarters of the Tibetan government in exile. The town offers a unique blend of Tibetan culture and Indian influences, making it a culturally rich and spiritually vibrant destination. The main attraction of McLeod Ganj is the Tsaglaghang complex, which includes the Dalai Lama's temple, Namgyal Monastery, and Tibet Museum, offering insights into Tibetan Buddhism and its struggles. The quaint streets of McLeod Ganj are lined with Tibetan handicraft shops, bookstores, and numerous cafes, providing a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. Travelers can indulge in meditation classes, yoga retreats, and Tibetan cooking courses. Surrounded by majestic mountains and lush greenery, McLeod Ganj also offers opportunities for trekking and nature walks, such as the Triumph Trek, which rewards visitors with stunning panoramic views. For travelers seeking a peaceful and culturally immersive experience, McLeod Ganj is an ideal destination to explore Tibetan traditions, spirituality, and the breathtaking beauty of the Himalayas.
Number 3. Dharamshala, located in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, is a serene and captivating hill station known for its natural beauty and spiritual significance. Divided into two parts, Lower Dharamshala and Upper Dharamshala, also known as McLeod Ganj, the town offers a unique blend of Tibetan culture, lush landscapes, and majestic mountains. Upper Dharamshala is home to the Tibetan government in exile and the residence of the 14th Dalai Lama, making it a significant center for Tibetan Buddhism. Travelers can visit the Tsaglaghang complex, which includes the Dalai Lama's temple and Namgyal Monastery. The town is also known for its stunning viewpoints, such as Nadi and Triund, offering panoramic views of the Dhauladhar mountain range. Nature enthusiasts can explore the nearby Bagsu waterfall and Bagsu Nag temple. Dharamshala's pleasant climate and tranquil surroundings make it an ideal destination for meditation, yoga retreats, and spiritual exploration. The local markets offer Tibetan handicrafts and souvenirs, and the cuisine reflects a mix of Indian and Tibetan flavors. Whether you seek spiritual enlightenment, adventure, or simply a peaceful escape amidst nature, Dharamshala welcomes travelers with its serene ambience and cultural richness.
Number 2. Manali, a popular hill station in Himachal Pradesh, India, is a paradise for travelers seeking natural beauty, adventure, and a refreshing escape from city life. Situated at an altitude of approximately 2,050 meters, 6,726 feet, above sea level, the town is surrounded by snow-capped mountains, dense forests, and gushing rivers. Manali offers a plethora of activities for adventure enthusiasts, including trekking, paragliding, river rafting, and skiing during the winter months. Solang Valley and Rohtang Pass are popular destinations for thrilling experiences and breathtaking views. The town's cultural attractions include the Hidimba Temple, an ancient wooden structure dedicated to goddess Hidimba, and the Manu Temple, dedicated to the sage Manu. The serene Beas River flowing through the town adds to its charm, providing opportunities for riverside picnics and peaceful walks. Manali's bustling markets offer a variety of handicrafts, woolens, and souvenirs for shopping enthusiasts. With its beautiful landscapes, adventure activities, and cultural attractions, Manali promises an unforgettable experience for all types of travelers seeking an enchanting getaway in the lap of the Himalayas.
Number 1. Shimla, the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, is a renowned hill station and a favored destination for travelers seeking a mix of colonial charm and breathtaking vistas. Situated at an altitude of approximately 2,200 meters, 7,218 feet, above sea level, Shimla offers pleasant weather throughout the year, making it an ideal retreat during summers. The town's colonial heritage is reflected in its architecture, including buildings like the Viceregal Lodge, now the Indian Institute of Advanced Study, and the Christ Church. The Mall Road is a popular spot for leisurely walks, shopping, and savoring local delicacies. Shimla's scenic beauty is enhanced by the surrounding mountains and forests. The Jakku Hill offers a panoramic view of the town, while the Chadwick Falls and Glen forests are ideal for nature walks and picnics. Adventure enthusiasts can indulge in activities like trekking, paragliding, and ice skating during winters. Shimla's blend of colonial history, natural beauty, and recreational opportunities makes it a delightful destination for travelers seeking a refreshing and captivating experience in the lap of the Himalayas.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Press the like button and share.